Hey guys, in the last video I have shown you that how can you post this particular form data. It means like you have form. How can you post this particular form to means like a URL? Okay, and for that I have used the URL like slash register for the post request. So it means like the type of this slash register was post. So it was posting here and I was showing that particular record. It means like here I was just uh, means like showing the last name of the record. It means like then I will show you. So when I'm navigating here, adding some content and I'm typing register, and you can see that I'm showing the register means last name of whatever I'm typing. Okay, now what I'm supposed to do is, and it means like if you do a request.body, then you can get every record from the request.body. So, so now it means like you can get all the records. It means if you will fill up everything and you will type register, then you can get every record. So of course we need to do email validation and everything. So but now in this video I'm going to show you how to save these all records to a database. Okay, it means like for that database I will use MongoDB and so let us see how to install the MongoDB and then I will show you um, it means like how to save this particular record in MongoDB database. So so what I will do here is first of all my operating system is Ubuntu 18.04, so I will type executable mongodb for Ubuntu 18.04. So and then I will install MongoDB. You can use the DigitalOcean link as well. So I'll go with the official link of MongoDB. So here is the only the second result is giving the it means like installation guide for MongoDB in DigitalOcean is also very good for installing the MongoDB. Yeah. So you will navigate below. You will see that there's 4 points. Point one, point two, point three, point four. So you can use these 4 points in order to install the MongoDB in Ubuntu 18.04. If you have different operating system, you can exactly type the particular operating system here and you will get the guide for the same. So here you will follow the four steps and after following the four steps your MongoDB will get installed. Okay. So right now I will comment the particular it means like command that is required to install the MongoDB with the video because I have already installed the MongoDB. It means like MongoDB is already present in my system. So now you need to create uh, one folder. That folder is data/db. Okay, where MongoDB will store all the particular information, backups, and everything out there. So in my case, my data and db folder is present within the desktop itself. I know how much secure it is, but as it is my personal PC, so it doesn't matter basically. So what I will do, I will navigate to desktop. Now you can see that there is my data folder is there. So you will do a ls, you can see that there is a db folder as well. So now I want to start my MongoDB. So I will say sudo mongod minus db path equals to gb slash. Okay, so that is not my path. So it is asking me for the sudo password. I will provide the sudo password and my MongoDB is already been started. Now after starting the MongoDB, I will have to create our database in order to work with it, right? So I will create a database now. So now after starting the MongoDB, I can access the Mongo command. So it will start the terminal of MongoDB. So I can type use. I will name it as YouTube. So here it is. Now, YouTube database is already created. Now my part is to create the collection within YouTube. But we will not create collection using the MongoDB terminal. I will use Express. How we can use Express to create the collections and everything, I will show you right now. So for working with MongoDB in Express, you will need there are different libraries. Like there is MongoDB library as well as Mongoose. So I will prefer to use Mongoose. Okay, Mongoose npm. So when you will hit Mongoose npm, you can get this. First result, it will redirect me to npmjs.com package mongoose. So yeah, so we can see that there is a weekly download of 9,72,791. It seems like it's a very popular package, right? Now here is the command. We can see that here is the installation command npm mongoose. I will copy this particular command. So copy to clipboard. Then I will navigate to my project. So here is my project. So I will install this particular package. So whatever I have copied, I just put it here and I will hit enter. It will start installing my mongoose package. Yeah. So there is some warning. You can notice that particular warning, and you can restart the server. So by typing nodemon space app.js. So yeah, that has started now. So now my mongoose package is there. So I have already installed the mongoose package. Now I'll navigate to my app.js file and let's do the code here. So I will say mm, if the declaration period, yeah. So I'll say constant mongoose equals to require, and then you'll put a bracket, you put something like this, mongoose. Okay. Now you will connect it. So you will say mongoose dot connect, and then you will provide the URL. So URL will be in the format mo sorry mongodb localhost port number 27017, comma, and then you have to specify the database name. So in my case, the database name is YouTube, and then you can use a callback here. You can put something like this, and you can hit it. So you can say console.log bracket mongodb connected. You can say this mongodb connected. Now let's see what we're getting. Means like whether MongoDB has been connected or not. So this becomes giving in console that okay, MongoDB connected is there, but there is some specific wording that you can see it that string parser is deprecated. So you can remove this particular warning by simply saying use new URL parser true, and then you can put a comma. So you can see that the particular one. Yeah, that's good. Now we have so this is how we can connect our MongoDB, okay, with our Express. That means now we are ready to go with the MongoDB. It means that now we are ready to save our record to the database. Using this, we can. It means like our MongoDB is connected to our Express project. Now we can do a CRUD operation on MongoDB. It means like we can do our CRUD operation using database. So that is all for this video. I will save the particular record in the database. I will create a schema. I'll tell you what the schema is, and then I will save the record like first name, last name, username, password in the database. And yeah, so that's it. So I will do all this things in the next video. Thank you guys.